Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Ohio Department of Taxation for business filing, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with the Ohio Department of Taxation for business filing, begin by accessing their official website. Locate the section for business services or business taxes. Identify the option for online filing or registration. You will need to create or log in to your Ohio Business Gateway account. If you need to create an account, click on the Sign Up option. Fill in the required information, including your business name, address, and federal identification number. Follow the prompts to complete the account creation process. Once your account is set up, log in using your credentials. Navigate to the Authentication section for business records. You may be asked to verify your identity using specific tax-related information. Ensure you have documents like your business tax ID and any previous filing information ready. Complete the verification process as instructed. After successful authentication, you will gain access to the business filing services. Choose the appropriate filing option relevant to your business needs. Follow the on-screen directions to complete your filing. Review all information carefully before submitting your application or payment. Once submitted, you will receive confirmation of your filing. Keep a copy of this confirmation for your records. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section or contact customer support. By following these steps, you can efficiently authenticate and file with the Ohio Department of Taxation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.